There's dinner, and then there's a roast chicken like this. It starts the way most good things do, simple: salt and black pepper. Onion, garlic, and lemon. All of it will soften and sweeten underneath. Potatoes go in first. They'll take on everything that falls. The chicken settles right on top. Now olives for that little sharp edge. And rosemary strewn about to give lots of aromatic flavor to the dish. A drizzle of olive oil. And a good splash of Riesling. Nothing fancy, just enough. Now into the oven. And this is where it changes. The skin turns deep and golden. Those lemons caramelize. And that garlic goes soft and sweet. And everything underneath absorbs what it needs. When you carve into it, take your time. You want to see those juices run clear. That's it. Spoon a little bit of that pan over everything. Welcome back to Marty's Herbie Kitchen. This is Simple Luxury. Thanks for joining me this evening. I'll see you at the next table.